All right, so we have the number of cars that were sold each day here, and we are given the number of cars sold on the 7th business day could be either 2, 4, or 5. Now we have already, let's list it out. In order to find the median, the question is asking when is the average equal to the median of these 7 numbers. All right, so let's first list out the 6 that we have, right? 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Now we have a missing x. Now we don't know where this x goes. We don't know if it's like we don't know if it's the smallest number. We don't know if it's the biggest number. We don't know if it's something in the middle. But we do know that we only have 3 options to choose from. So let's say if we did 2. Let's say we did we had this 2 here. Well, what would happen? Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The middle number would be 4. All right, so median equals 4. And then what's the sum? Well, it's first sum of these 6 numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5, 9, 15, 22, 30. All right, so these make up 30. Now, 30 plus the 2 will get you 32. And then you have to divide it by 7. Well, that's not really divisible. You need to get the average. All right, this is the average. We need to get the average equal to the median. So if the median is going to be 4 in the case of choosing 2 as your value, then we need this equal to 4, but that's not equal to 4. So looks like this is not going to be any good, right? So it's no good. What if we did a 4, right? We put a 4 here. 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8. Well, then the median is still 4, right? So this still holds true, this median of 4, except now the sum is 30 plus 4. So instead of 30 plus 2, it would be 30 plus 4, so that's 34, and you divide that by 7. Again, that's still not equal to 4. So it looks like 2 is problematic, but what about 5? What if we change this to a 5? Well, what's the median? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The median, in this case, would no longer be 4. Median equals 5. All right, so now we have the median equal to 5. And what's the sum? Well, instead of 30 plus 4, it'd be 30 plus 5 this time. So that's 35 divided by there's 7 numbers, and that's 5. That's your average. So notice your average equals your median. So that's exactly what we want. 3 is good, and that's 3 only. Now, when I first read this question and I noticed, when is the average equal to the median? Well, the average is only going to be equal to the median on one particular case. It's either going to be this number, that number, or that number. It's not going to be like, this number or that number. So all these, 1, 2, and 3, 2 and 3 only, or 1, 2, all of these are no good. So if you were to guess, you'd have to guess between these 2 guys. And if you test it out, actually just based on these answer choices, you could just skip 2. You don't have to waste your time testing 2. You could just skip straight to testing 4. And if that doesn't work, testing 5. It turns out testing 5 works, so that's 3 only. Answer choice B.